Hello, and welcome to this week's episode of Industry Insider. I'm your host, Allison Rogers. As coronavirus concerns continue to grip the industry, businesses across Canada are stepping up to offer their services in this turbulent time. Suppliers that call Canada home, such as Magna International, Linamar Corporation, and Martin Ray, have teamed up with medical firms to produce highly sought-after medical equipment. Linamar sealed an agreement with Thornhill Medical this week to retool and manufacture 500 ventilators to meet pandemic demand. Magna is also convinced that with some laboratory testing, it will be able to offer a sanitization device capable of killing coronavirus and allowing for the cleansing of used medical equipment. But it's more than just the big names stepping up to offer help. Shops from coast to coast are offering support to their communities, the same people that have helped their businesses thrive for years. One of the first shops to donate some of its overstocked supplies was Speedy Collision Guelph, which donated boxes of gloves and N95 masks to its local frontline workers. This week, Waterdown Collision in Ontario launched a community outreach initiative to support the local Flamborough Food Bank, which has been feeling the effects of the virus in recent weeks. Waterdown told the local community that it would be picking up donations from residents around town and dropping off the much-needed supplies at Flamborough's door. Next week, the facility will offer grocery and pharmacy delivery services to seniors in the Waterdown, Ontario area. Max DeFelice, president of Waterdown Collision, said the facility simply knew they had to do something to aid the community amid the crisis.
I've never been kind of a person, none of us have been a person that work here or our team leaders to sit back and stand by and watch things happen. So we never really sit back to watch this. I guess our initiative was stemmed by what can we do versus should we do something. You need to figure out whether this pandemic going around you're going to manage by reaction or you're going to manage by initiative.
Now, for each month this year, Waterdown Collision will be launching a new outreach initiative to continue supporting its community. DeFelice says other shops should do the same to show their support.
My commitment to our industry and to my peers in the industry would be have them look at their community and see where it really needs help. And it could be even youth programs. Wherever they need help, that's where they need to go. But they're innovative enough because they're in this business. So I'm sure that they can translate that to what needs to happen during the pandemic.
He stresses that in situations like these, where massive accommodations are being made to serve what customers need most, collision repairers need to reconsider what the post-pandemic normal may look like.
But this is going to change the dynamic of business. What customers' expectations are. Do you think that curbside is going to go away? No. Do you think that pickup and drop-off is going to go away? No. Customers' expectations are now going to be different. And you and I are customers. And we know what we're doing right now and how, we're managing our daily lives and how it works. So once you become accustomed to that, now it may change a little bit, but that platform is now at a new level, right?
Yeah, now it's been introduced. People are going to get used to it, so.
That's right. So what we at Waterdown Collision are now introduced as our community outreach initiative is going to be a monthly initiative in what we're going to do.
Thanks for tuning in to this week's episode of Industry Insider. Be sure to subscribe to the podcast on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Music, and SoundCloud for new episodes.